Best video ever with the handheld phone right now. But man, look at that bike. I'm not going to show you guys the license plate. But picked up a Heritage. I got the ignition lock on it right now, so I'm not going to start it up. But we're going to be doing some videos on it sooner or later. It has a lot of chrome on it. Now, I don't know how much I'm going to change or not right now. It does have the Screaming Eagle pipes, and they sound really, really nice. But yeah, so gonna be doing a few different things. So yeah, this is gonna be a new thing to the YouTube channel. And if you guys are ever in the area, it could be fun to go for a ride if you guys have a bike. But anyway, I gotta get a little bit of sleep. I gotta drive later on tonight. And then in these boxes, I have some batteries I gotta test. I'm gonna try to sell these. Other stuff. I got a lot of stuff. And then I have some TVs that we're still working on. A lot of stuff. There's my soldering station. So, yeah, a lot of stuff, but it's been a while since I've owned a bike. Very happy to have another bike. And this is definitely a bigger bike than I've owned before. And got to ride it a little bit today. Love it. Anyway, see you guys on the next one. Comment, like, rate, and subscribe for new content. Like I said, there's going to be a lot of new content. And the guy that won that GPS, I hope you're enjoying that GPS. You should have already received it by now. Sorry, it took me a little while to get it in the mail. And when we hit 10,000 subscribers, we are going to be giving away 10 ounces of silver at 10,000 subscribers. 1 ounce for every 1,000. So that's going to be really cool. So yeah, hit that subscribe button. Take a chance at winning 10 ounces of silver. See you guys on the next one. Later.